so now that the baby screwdriver is underneath, I should be able to get my card in now pretty easily. Let's have a look. And they say that you want to put some cloth between taking the badge off and using this card, because you don't want the paint to get destroyed or damaged. But I never did that for the front hood. And oh my goodness, did you just fart? Babe, I'm doing a video. That was so loud. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe you just did that. Right in the middle of a really perfect, awesome video. And I hear this rumble in the background. Yeah. And I'm not editing it out, okay? So you can keep laughing.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're not putting that on YouTube.
Oh, it's going in there. Don't you worry, baby.
Okay, I'll be famous then.
Yeah, famous for the wrong thing. Unless you want to be famous for that. You are
Really?
pretty good at it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Can't help it.
I know you can't. Okay. Right on the very edge of that badge, you can see all the dirt starting to come out. Oh, it's all falling on my hand. That's gross. There we go. Probably don't even need to use that card. I'm going to wedge it like that.
Yeah, just kind
I'll
of
keep
strip
that in
around.
there. And now while it's in there, instead of taking that screwdriver out, I'm going to get in.
Yep.
Gotta be careful though, because the last time I did this, it snapped off the two little plastic things inside. But it just broke my card.
Yeah, you need a stronger card.
Gosh, what?
You need a stronger card.
I need a what?
A stronger card.
Oh, a stronger card, yeah. Yeah, you're right. But I know what I'll do. I'll go like this. I'll put the card underneath. Hang on a sec. Okay.
There you go.
I think I can do
Gonna
this.
work around.
Yeah, I'll move the card a little bit,
Yep.
and I'll use the card as a way of
It's coming. There you go.
protecting. Ah! Okay, it is getting there. It's lifting up, right?
It's coming out. Yep, you see it.
Yeah, it's working, guys. Woohoo! Crap.
There you
Did it come off? I succeeded with one of
go.
them.
Yeah, one of them.
Look at that.
Yep.
Wow. It's pretty good. Not too bad. And yes, I scratched right there, but who cares? No one's going to see that.
Yep.
The badge is going on top. And I did not do that, I
I want
swear.
to clean the dirt off.
I didn't do that because I didn't even come up that top part, I'm pretty sure.
Those needle nose or the wire cutters.
Okay.
Wire cutters to grab a hold of it. Are they in the front?
Probably. Or do you have them in there? Are they in the car?
Oh yeah. Ah!
God.
Yeah, that was a delayed reaction. Okay.
Did you do it?
Yep, it's on.
Ah,
Right there, the piece.
that's the piece. Oh, there it is. Okay. Awesome. So now we have our two holes ready for the new badge to put inside. You can see it's got two little prong things on it, like that. So it'll fit right in there. But first of all, I have to clean it and add some glue, a little bit of glue. Okay, so I've put some of my putty glue onto the card, just a really tiny bit in these holes, because if you fill them up too high then the badge will stick out from the car a little bit too much. And this time I never put glue on the actual badge itself. I did for the front one, but I just kind of stuck it on the car this time. It doesn't matter, I don't think. whether you put it on the car or whether you put it on the badge. Okay, so we're going to line up the holes and then we peel off. So yeah, I actually peeled off this plastic layer before I stuck down the front one, and I found that the putty stuff on my hands was getting all over the actual badge itself. So you best attaching the badge first and then peeling off the layer at the end, and that way you don't have any finger marks and things like that on your badge. It looks brand new. I mean, that looks awesome now. Oh, we have a bit of glue protruding from the bottom there, but we can get that off. It's pretty easy. Yeah, don't want that. Okay, that looks pretty good though. Pretty darn good, considering it's not the original. So yeah, this BMW is actually going to look like a real BMW now, because the old one, I just will show you to compare. There we go, that's the old one. Looked dreadful. So for $10 to go from that to that, that's pretty awesome. I think it's worth it. But yeah, you don't want to risk scratching the paint, but it didn't really scratch for me. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. There's a tiny scratch there, but I don't think it was me. I'm sure it was there before.